Prosecutors say they will not file murder charges against a Torrance man who was arrested in a deadly shooting. Investigators say it now appears the gunman is a good Samaritan who was trying to save a 13-year-old boy from an attacker. KCAL 9's Jeff Nguyen has details.
Today, friends lit candles in memory of Sergio Wilms outside this Torrance condo complex where he was shot and killed around 5 a.m. Saturday during a violent confrontation.
He left something great and kind behind, and I just want to thank him for that.
Steve Martin lives in the unit that overlooks the shooting. He heard one shot and then
I ran to the window and I saw an individual popping off 2 more rounds.
Police say the shooter was 58-year-old Carmen Reyes Jr., who was initially booked for murder but was released this morning after the DA's office decided to drop charges against him. His attorney says the shooting was out of self-defense.
All the evidence that we had seen so far on our side of it was favorable to Carmen Reyes, and apparently the DA saw it the same way, so they rejected.
Reyes did not want to be interviewed, but his attorney says he ran out of his home to protect a 13-year-old Boy Scout. The child was repairing his family's van for a camping trip when police say Wilms walked up and attacked the boy and then his mother. Reyes, who lives with the boy's family and is his father's caretaker, apparently tried to step in, which led to a fight.
The assailant was on top of him, and when the gun went off, and then he pushed him off of him.
Even though the DA's office isn't prosecuting Reyes, police say the case isn't closed and they're asking for help.
We're looking for several more possible disinterested witnesses, people that maybe saw the incident or maybe saw Mr. Wilms prior to.
Police are waiting for toxicology reports to figure out if Wilms had drugs or alcohol in his system at the time of the shooting. It'll take at least 6 weeks for the results to come in. In Torrance, Jeff Nguyen, KCAL 9 News.